Marine Gurukul Online Academy is pleased to announce a number of online modules to support the students in passing their certificate of competency exams. Please look out for our notifications on the channel. For any more details or queries, please write to us on marinegurukul@gmail.com. Hello, welcome to Marine Gurukul videos. We are pleased to present a series on chart work typical MMD exam questions. Here is question number 1. A vessel steering certain compass course with speed of 12 knots observes the following at 1900 hours. Govan set point bearing 260 degrees compass. Caldi Island light bearing 080 degrees compass. St. Gowan's light vessel was 30 degrees on her starboard bow. At 1930 hours, she finds the same light, that is St. Gowan light vessel, 60 degrees on her bow. Find the position at 1900 hours and the compass course steered. Here is the chart. Here we have the St. Gowan light vessel. We have the Govan head point and the Caldi Island light. Now, first we have to do some working on the answer sheet. At 1900 hours, Govan head point and Caldi Island light, which were bearing 260 degrees compass and 080 degrees compass, are on reciprocal bearing, which gives us a position line by opposite bearings or reciprocal bearing. Obtain the radius of position circle that can be drawn at 1900 hours with St. Gowan light vessel as the center. And how do we obtain this radius? We can work out like this. Here we have the St. Gowan light vessel. X, let us say this is the course steered by the vessel. Then at A, the light, that is St. Gowan light vessel, was 30 degrees on the ship's starboard bow. So you can see it here. This angle was 30 degrees on the starboard bow. Then at 1930, the same light vessel was 60 degrees on the bow. So let us say the vessel was at B when it is 60 degrees on the starboard bow. So this angle was 60 degrees here. And now let us say as the vessel continues on this track, continues steering this track, she reaches a point where the light vessel is abeam at point C. Now, since the angle from position A to position B has doubled, and since this is the exterior angle of this triangle, then we know from the properties of the triangle that this angle would also be 30 degrees. So XBA becomes an isosceles triangle. So AB will be equal to XB. And this will be equal to 6 miles. Why? Because from A to B, the distance is the engine distance in 30 minutes. And at 12 knots, engine distance in half an hour would be 6 miles. Then, using the triangle XCB, which is right angled at C and angle B being 60 degrees and side XB being 6 miles, we can get XC, that is the beam distance of St. Gowan light vessel, which is XB into sine 60, which is equal to 5.196 miles. This is the beam distance of St. Gowan light vessel from the ship. Now using the triangle XCA, which is again right angled at C, and XC being 5.196, we can calculate XA for this angle 30 degrees. XA will be equal to beam distance of 5.196 divided by sine of 30 degrees, which gives us this distance of 10.392 miles. What is this 10.392 miles? It is the distance of the vessel at A. And when was she at A? She was at A at 1900 hours. From A, that is 1900 hour position, to St. Gowan light vessel, the range is 10.392 miles. So XA is the distance off at 1900 hours from the light vessel. Now we can plot the fix at 1900 hours by using the PL by reciprocal bearing and position circle with St. Gowan light vessel as the center and 10.392 miles as radius. So here we have the PL by reciprocal bearing. Now we open our compass 10.392 miles, keep it at the center here, 10 St. Gowan light vessel, and we cut an arc here and we get the 1900 hour fix. So this position is the 1900 hour fix, and since the question wants 1900 hour fix, we can pick up the latitude and longitude of this particular position and write it on our answer sheet. So that is one answer to the question. Second is the course steered at 1900 hours. For that, we know the beam distance is 5.196. So with radius of 5.196 miles and St. Gowan light vessel as the center, we draw a circle here. Now, this circle, we draw a tangent from 1900 hours. And obviously, this will be the required CTS. Why? Because when the vessel reaches here, the beam distance shall be 5.196 miles. We can read off this course from the compass rose. That will be the course steered, that is the true course. And now it can be converted to compass course. Please remember, the question wants the compass course. So the true course steered read from the chart needs to be converted to compass course. Hope such solutions to technical questions would help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel or press the notification button, please do so that you get automatic notification when the next video for question number 2 is released. Please watch out for the next video. Thank you very much for watching Marine Gurukul video series.